Hi everyone, welcome to Module 14. In this module, you'll be asked to develop a draft of the reflection assignment. Then you'll be asked to post your draft of the reflection assignment to the discussion. So our final reflection for this course is worth 100 points, and it's 10% of the course grade. You'll be completing a reflection letter that you should address to a future IRW 0970 student who's going to be taking this class. So as you're writing, consider that the student does not know what the course is about, so you're going to give information about the class, explaining what you've learned. So in your letter, there are 9 sections or questions to address. I would suggest that you develop a paragraph for each one of these questions. That will help you group your ideas together. Make sure you tell the student that you're writing to the purpose of your letter. So what are you hoping the student will get out of reading your letter? You should also reflect on how you felt about reading and writing when you started the course. And now that you're finishing the class, how do you feel about reading and writing now? You should address some of the interesting assignments that you enjoyed doing and any assignments that you struggled with, explaining why. Then you'll see underlined are the course objectives in our class. And so a student who completes our class should know how to use a reading process, should know how to use a writing process, should know how to identify and use text features, should be able to write effective sentences and paragraphs, should know about common grammar concepts and how to correct those errors in their own writing, and should know how to use technology for reading and writing. And so in each paragraph, consider what you've learned, right, about using these skills. Reflect on how you've used the skills and what you've learned about using them for college reading and writing assignments. Try to give some examples from the assignments that you completed this term to help a student understand what they'll be asked to create when they take IRW 0970. And then end your letter by giving advice to the future students and suggestions on how to succeed. So as you're developing your letter, make sure that your letter is typed. Please double space it so that it's easy for me to read and see. Your letter should be at least 500 words in length, and it should be in 12-point font. Make sure you answer all of the questions that were listed, and make sure you support your ideas with examples, your own experience, evidence, and explanation. Proofread your letter and make sure you've organized your letter into meaningful paragraphs, and use standard written English. So after you've developed a draft of your letter, you should move forward in the module to post your letter to the discussion. Your letter is due by the end of the week on Sunday. We will complete peer reviews next week. You'll see, like always, there's a module checklist to help you make sure you've completed the weekly tasks. And I'm available if you have any questions or concerns. Please send me an email if you'd like to talk about your reflection letter or if you have any questions. So I hope you have a great week. Take care. Bye.